Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I want to talk to you today about background checks that you're hired to do by parents. This is something that will inevitably come up for you as you go through your career as a private investigator, and it's definitely a call you'll get inquiries about. And I'm just going to tell you real quickly a little bit of what I tell the parents about when they call me for this type of work. Typically, what it is, I get this a lot. A father will call because his daughter is dating a dirtball. And he thinks if he does a background check on the dirtball and then shows that to his daughter, that will convince her to stay away from the guy. I have done these before, but I always do the warning to the father beforehand because here's what's going to happen. I'm going to do the background check. I'll find whatever there is to find, and it probably is going to be something that the father is not happy about. But when he presents it to the daughter, she is not going to accept that. She is going to, one, probably get defensive with the father. Why are you poking into my business? You don't know him, blah, blah, blah. But then the other thing that's going to happen is no matter what comes back on the background check, no matter what comes back on the background check, she's going to say, he's different now. You don't understand. He was in jail, but he learned, and now he's different. And if there's something on there she absolutely is shocked by, she will go to him, and he will have a reason slash excuse. He will have an excuse slash lie about that particular incident. He will say that he was charged falsely, they trumped up the charges, that his crazy ex-girlfriend had da-da-da-da-da, whatever the thing is. So feel free to take these cases when they call you, when a potential client calls you. But like with any potential client, really set them for the expectations, what they can expect to come back, what they will not come back, what, if they need dug deeper, will cost more. And in this type of case, I particularly warn them that it might not give them the outcome that they're looking for. If they still want to go forward, then yeah, in the past, then I have taken those cases for fathers who want to do that. If you have any ideas or suggestions about this, please feel free to let me know. I'd love to hear from you, especially other professional investigators out there. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.